everybody, and today on Art Time, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva to make a very cute desktop wallpaper. Now, if you do not know what Canva is a website that you can make so many different things on 100% free. You can make wallpapers, posters, flyers, book covers, anything you can imagine. So let's get started. I'm going to start out by clicking desktop wallpaper. And I already have it open right over here. So this is what is going to pop up. As you can see, it gives you a bunch of free templates that you can use, although some of them you would have to pay for. As you can see, a bunch of cute templates. But I'm not going to be using any templates. I'm going to be showing you how you can make some from scratch. First of all, I want a background. I can go to their backgrounds, but I'm going to go to my uploads. I need to upload an image. I already uploaded some images, and I'm going to get this kawaii donut, which is so cute. So I'm going to put it in the corner right here, and I might flip it like this, and make it a bit bigger, which will help me out. There we go, I'll put it right here. There we go. Now I'm going to make a very corny joke right here, and I'm going to first of all go to text, add a heading, and put donut. Get it? Do not donut forget to smile. And I will make this a different text, maybe this toy box text, which is nice and fun. Then I'm going to make this way bigger, like 144 bigger. So I'm going to do like this, bring it over here. I'm going to widen it, bring it down. Oops. Perfect. Do not forget smile, which I'm warning you, this is a very corny joke, so sorry about that. But you can also rotate it. No, I'm just going to keep it straight. And how cute is this? Do not forget smile. So you can save this, and I'm going to download it. And put it as a file type and download. And now it's downloading, as you can see. Something else other than downloading that you can do, however, is you can actually use a snip if it'll take too much space or something. And now, oh, look, it saved it. Look how cute this is. Do not forget smile. All right, let's close that. And we are done. Thank you, Canva. And I'm going to undo just so that I can make my next one. And again, I'm going to go to uploads. And I'm going to get this furry monster cutie, and I am going to rotate it and put it right over here. Or actually, I might make it stand straight. And I'll make it appear. There we go. Now I'm going to click text and add a heading. And I'll write here, right? I look cuter when I smile. I'll bet you will too. I will make it way bigger, just like I always do. Let's make it even bigger so that it shows better. 72, alright. Stretch it out more. Oops. Stretchy. Alright, perfect. And now I'm going to change my font to, there are so many different fonts, like you can't even count the amount of fonts they have here. But again, I just want a nice and playful font, so I'm going to use the toy box one again. Alright, now you can change the color, and there are so many different colors. You can actually add a color by clicking this, and you can make your custom color, but I'm going to make this one a nice blue that matches. I look cuter when I smile. How cute is this? So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment down below what we should make next, and subscribe for more videos just like this. Till next time, bye everybody.